Hello everyone, myself Dr. S. Mohamed Nazeer. This class I am going to teach you money and its functions, role of money. Before that, what is money? Money may be defined as generally accepted medium of exchange. According to Professor Walker, money is what money does. More comprehensive definition is given by Professor Crowther. According to him, money is anything which is generally acceptable as medium of exchange and at the same time act as a store of value. Okay, this is the meaning of money. So, money may be defined as generally accepted medium of exchange, at the same time act as a store of value. Okay, let's see the functions of money. The functions of money have been classified into three groups: primary function, secondary function, and contingent function. Let's see one by one. Okay, the primary function. The primary function are the most important function performed by money. Under primary function, we have money is a medium of exchange. Money is a measure of value. Let's see one by one. Money is generally acceptable medium of exchange. We can purchase anything by money. It removes all inconvenience of the barter system. So, money acts as a medium of exchange here. Okay. Then, measure of value. Money also acts as the measure of value or unit of account. We can measure the value of any commodity or service in terms of amount of money. It means that price of all goods are expressed in terms of money. This is called a measure of value. Okay. Now the secondary function. The functions of money which are derived from the primary function are considered as the secondary function of money. The secondary functions are standard of deferred payments and store of value. Let's see one by one. Standard of deferred payments. The future transaction can be done with the help of the money. The loan taken today can be repaid in money in future. So, money acts as a standard of deferred payment. Okay. Then the store of value. Money is the most liquid form of wealth. Money is most liquid form of wealth. We can store the value of any asset in the form of money. So, money acts as the store of value. The value of any commodity can be transferred from one person to other in the form of money. Okay, this is a secondary function. So, money acts as a standard of deferred payment, the store of value. The third function, contingent function. Money can help various economic agents, okay, household, firms, and government to take decisions. It is called the contingent functions of money. What are the contingent functions? The number one, assisting consumption decision. The main determinant of consumption decision are the income of the consumer and the price of the commodity. The income of the consumer and the price of the commodities are the main determinants of consumption decision. Each of these are expressed in terms of money. So, money assists a consumer to take his decision. Okay, this is a contingent function. The another contingent function is assisting production decision. The motive of the producer is to maximize profit. Profit is the difference between total revenue earned by the producer and the total cost of production. Okay, the profit is the difference between total revenue earned by the producer and the total cost of production. Both revenue and the cost of production are expressed in terms of money. Okay, this is the second contingent function. The third contingent function are assisting distribution. The total income is distributed among the factors of production. Labor earns wage, land earns rent, capital earns interest, and the entrepreneur earns profit. Each of this payment is done in terms of money. So, money also assists distribution of income. Okay. The last contingent function is assisting credit operation. The credit operation by banks and other financial institutions is very important for the proper functioning of trade and commerce. Okay, so money is the basis of such credit. These are called contingent functions. So money is a medium of exchange, measure of value, standard of deferred payments, store of value. These are the main functions of money. Okay, let's see the types of money. Number one, commodity money. In earlier society, precious metals were used as a medium of exchange. This was the idea behind commodity money. Both precious metals like gold, silver, and cheaper items like shells, stones were used as a medium of exchange. With the advancement of trade and commerce, commodity money was replaced by representative money. The commodity money replaced by representative money. Representative money is money that consists of token coins, paper notes, etc. Okay, which can be exchanged for a fixed quantity of gold or silver. Number two, the paper money. Paper money came into use after commodity money. Businessmen and traders sometimes kept gold with the goldsmith. Goldsmith promised to hand over the gold to the bearer of the receipt issued by the goldsmith. Gradually, the receipt issued by the goldsmith become acceptable in business transaction. So this convenient medium of exchange, the piece of paper, become money. Early, banks also stored gold and issued notes which promised to pay back gold on demand. These promissory notes were called bank notes. Okay. The next one is the fiat money. Afterwards, bank notes were issued by the central bank operated by the government. Originally, central bank issued fully convertible currency notes. Okay, convertible currency notes. Convertible currency notes means it is fully convertible into gold. Okay, if you have money, you can hand over this money to the bank will give gold. This is called convertible money. Between World War I and II, all countries abandoned gold convertibility. From that time, government declared inconvertible paper notes as legal tender. Okay, the fiat money is inconvertible money that is declared by the government order to be legal tender for settlement of all debts. Today, all notes and all coins in circulation are fiat money. Okay, inconvertible money is called a paper money. It is a fiat money. Okay, we cannot convert money into gold in bank. We can purchase gold from the shop. That is different. So the money cannot be converted in the bank. This is called inconvertible money. So it became a fiat money. Okay. Now modern deposit money. Customers deposit paper notes to bank. Each deposit creates an entry to the consumer's account. Now, in case of transfer of money from one person to another, it is more convenient to have the bank transfer claims to the money they hold on deposit. Check is an instruction to the bank to make the payment or transfer. Checks are widely accepted in transfer or payments for commodities. So, deposit on which check is drawn become a form of money called deposit money. Okay, this is the modern deposit money. Near money. What is near money? Anything which act as a store of value and easily converted into medium of exchange is called near money. I repeat, anything which act as a store of value and easily converted into medium of exchange is called near money. For example, time deposit on which checks cannot be drawn is called near money, for it acts as a store of value and can be converted into medium of exchange. This is called near money. Money substitutes. What is money substitutes? Anything which act as a temporary medium of exchange but does not act as a store of value is called money substitutes. The most suitable example is a credit card. Credit card through which money transactions are done without cash or check. But this is only a temporary function. The final medium of exchange is money. Okay, credit card is only a temporary function of money. The final medium of exchange is only the money. So the credit card is the money substitute. Okay, now supply of money. The total quantity of money held by the public of an economy at a particular point of time is called supply of money in the economy. However, the term money does not only mean cash. It consists of demand deposit, time deposit held by the commercial banks, and other deposits in the economy. The different concepts of money supply. There are different concepts of money supply. One of them includes cash and demand deposits held by the commercial banks and other deposits as money supply. Another group of economists believed that since loans are granted against time deposits and are used to purchase goods and services, time deposits should also be included in money supply. Okay, different components of money supply are described. Let's see one by one. M1. M1 is nothing but M1 equals to currency held by the public, C, plus demand deposit with the commercial banks, DD, plus other deposits with the Reserve Bank. If we add this, we get M1. M1 is called money supply. M1 is equals to currency held by the public plus demand deposit with the commercial banks plus other deposit with the Reserve Bank, OD. So C plus DD plus OD is called M1. M2. What is M2? M2 equals to M1 plus postal saving bank deposits. So post office saving we included in M1, we get M2. Okay. Since people can withdraw money from postal saving deposits on demand, it is included in the money supply. M3. What is M3? M3 equals to M1 plus time deposit with the commercial bank. Okay. M1 plus time deposit with the commercial bank. So this is M3. M3 is also money supply. Okay. M1 plus time deposit with the commercial banks. Now M4. M4 equals to M3 plus time deposit with the postal savings. Okay. M4 is nothing but M3 plus the total deposit with the postal savings. In India, M1 and M2 are called narrow money supply, narrow money, since they include lesser constitutes of money supply. M3 and M4 are called broad money. Okay, M3 and M4 are called broad money, since they include larger constitutes of money supply. Generally, in India, M3 is treated as the aggregate money supply. Look here, this is the monetary aggregates in India. M1, currency with the public plus demand deposit. Okay, it is also known as narrow money. M2, M1 plus post office saving deposit. So currency with the public, demand deposit plus post office saving, we call the M2 money supply. M3, M1 plus time deposit with the bank. Okay, we are excluded here the post office saving. If we included all the things, M4 is equals to M3 plus total post office savings, time deposits, demand deposits, currency with the public, we call the M4. Okay, M3 and M4 are called broad money. M2 and M1 and M2 are called narrow money. High-powered money or monetary base of a country refers to the total liability of the monetary authority, okay, central bank of a country. It includes currency held by the public, cash reserves with the commercial bank, with the central bank, and other deposit with the central bank. It is called high-powered money. Now I'm going to teach you nominal and real money supply. Okay, let's see what is nominal money supply and what is real money supply. It is also useful to distinguish the nominal from the real money supply. The nominal money supply is the money supply measured in monetary units. Okay, the real money supply is the money supply measured in purchasing power units. Okay, and expressed in constant prices that were ruling in some base year. Okay, to obtain the real money supply, the nominal money supply is deflated by an index of the general price level. Okay, so the real is nothing but the purchasing power of that money. Nominal is the namesake of that money. Okay, let's see the money value and relative value. Money is the measuring rod of most economic activities. Wealth, incomes, what we buy and what we sell are all valued in money terms. Okay, when we think of a commodities market value, we usually think of its money value. Okay, money prices are measures of economic value. Money prices allow us to compare different values at any point of time. Early economists believed that money value is not important in itself. Okay, money value is not important in itself. The value of money is always relative. Okay, the value of money is always relative. A simple money price is meaningless unless it can be compared to price of something else. What matters, therefore, is a comparison of two or more money values. So we may conclude that relative values are more important than the money value. Relative value is more important than the money value. Okay, let's see what is neutrality of money. Okay, in the classical theory, okay, there are two theories. Before 1930, the classical theory rules the world. After the 1930, the Great Depression, the Keynesian theory rules the world. In the classical theory, money is considered to be neutral, which means that money has no role to play in the determination of income, output, and employment. Money has no role to play in the determination of income, output, and employment. Neutrality of money, the idea of money being neutral, simply involves the function of a medium of exchange only. Money is just for a medium of exchange. It's nothing doing else. Okay. Neutrality of money implies that increase in quantity of money will increase all prices in the same proportion. So, if the quantity of money is doubled, the price level, okay, the price level would also be double. But at the same time, relative prices, that is real price of one good in terms of another good, will not change. Okay, suppose if the price of table is rupees 100, a chair rupees 50, it means a table exchanges for two chairs. This is the real price of table in terms of chairs. The real price of goods are given by relative money prices. Suppose if the quantity of money is doubled, the price level also double. In such a case, the table cost will rupees 200 and a chair is rupees 100. The relative price remains the same. So 2 chair is equals to what? 1 table. Okay. In the case of neutrality of money, the rate of interest is also not affected by changes in the quantity of money. Thus, the neutrality of money means that increase in quantity of money rises the price level without changing the relative prices and the rate of interest. Okay, in this class, we seen the meaning and definition of money, the functions of money, the types of money. Okay, and then finally we seen neutrality of money. Before that we seen the supply of money, M1, M2, M3, M4. Thank you.